There's an old proverb from my home in the northwest region of Cameroon that says, when you eat with certain people, eat with a very long spoon. It's a powerful expression about boundaries. It means be careful, keep your distance, do not fully trust. I am Dr. Rivita Akumbo, and I help leaders turn cultural friction into a competitive advantage. Right now, in our offices, our boardrooms, and even our neighborhoods, so many of us are eating with a very long spoon. We are walking on eggshells, we are guarded, and we feel a tension in the room that we cannot quite name. This is an invisible tax on our leadership that costs us innovation, speed, and the peace of mind that comes from true connection. You are not failing at communication. You are simply caught in an interpretation gap that nobody taught you how to bridge. When I was 13 years old in Cameroon, I took my first steps towards independence while living within a traditional communal structure. Under the watchful eyes of my elders, I had to learn quickly how to navigate shared life and read the subtle signals to find my footing. Most of us carry deep ancestral blueprints for what safety looks like. When you encounter someone from a different culture and their signals, their silence, their tone, their directness do not match yours, your nervous system often interprets that difference as a threat. You might shut down or start labeling that person as difficult, unworthy. But your team's cultural differences are not a threat to be managed. They are a superpower to be unlocked once you know how to see them clearly. I created the Connection Catalyst Challenge to help you put down the long spoon and move into a more curious, high-impact way of leading. Over these 5 days, we are going to go beneath the surface of your daily interactions. Day 1, interpretation, the safety map. Day 2, integration, the power of your lineage. Day 3, interaction, the 3 questions that restore trust. Day 4, adaptation, universal respect in all contexts. Day 5, catalyst, the connection operating system. If you're tired of that constant feeling of walking on eggshells, this is your invitation. This isn't a dry lecture. It's an exploration of the human essence behind how we work together. Click the link below, pick your level. Let's turn your differences into your greatest strength. I'll see you there.